Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add complete inventory system in 3D survival game. Now let's get started today's video. First simply inside canvas right click add UI image and call it inventory screen. Then simply open Unity asset store and import GUI parts. Look, it's free. Now simply add to my assets, accept, open in Unity. Then simply download it. After downloading simply import like this. Now look, GUI parts, add in my assets, simply open. Now simply select inventory screen and drag and drop in the source image like this, and then rescale for proper adjustment as you want like this. Then inside inventory screen right click again, add UI image and call it slot, and again drag and drop in the source image and rescale it and press Ctrl D for duplicate and make one complete row. Then simply press Ctrl D and select complete row and duplicate it like this. Now simply select slot 1 and again add image and call it stone inventory. Simply open GUI parts icons and select the X or any other object as you want and set texture type sprite 2D and UI. Then simply select stone and simply drag and drop in the source image like this. Simply scale it little bit smaller. Then simply create C# folder and call it drag drop, and again create C# folder and call it item slot script. Now open and start scripting. Simply make interference iDrop handler, then simply declare item public type and simply if condition if the child count of transform greater than 0, then return 0 child, otherwise null. Then on drop event simply debug for printing on drop and item is not true, like in the slot have no items. Then drag drop item being dragged, basically in the drag drop script item being dragged, and make 3 interference. I begin drag handler, I end drag handler, I drag handler. Then simply declare react transform and canvas group, and then simply make item being dragged and make it static because we use in the item slot. And simply make on begin drag event debug.log for printing and make canvas group block raycast false, and start position the position of the transform and start parent is the parent of the transform, and transform dot set parent transform root. Basically when the X drag out the boundary of the inventory, then simply makes roots and item begin dragged, basically the game object. Then on drag event for controlling the speed of the mouse cursor. Then on end drag event item being dragged null, and make condition if parent of the transform is equal to start parent or parent of the transform is equal to transform dot root. Like if by mistake we drag the X or any other thing in the slot out the boundary and drop, then cancel the drag drop event and make the slot previously, like position of the transform is equal to start parent and set parent is equal to start parent. Then canvas group is equal to 1F and raycast is equal to true. Now it's time to add inventory script. Simply create another C# folder and call it inventory system. Declare the inventory screen UI and make bool type is open for checking the inventory is open or not. Then simply make singleton, we will use in the later but not in this video. Then simply start is open is equal to false, like when the inventory is not open. And in the update function we simply make condition if we press I and is open inventory is not true, means is closed. Then debug.log I is pressed print and inventory screen active true means inventory screen is open. Then else if press I this time is open, inventory screen is open. Then simply inventory screen UI set active false means inventory screen close and is open is false. Now our script is ready. Simply overview the drag and drop script. Then item slot script write as it is. Then simply inventory script. Now simply select stone and drag and drop script attach like this and select all the slots by pressing shift and attach item slot script. Now look all the slots attach item slot script. Now simply change the inventory system script because when the inventory system is closed, then our mouse cursor works properly, and then our inventory system is open, then our mouse cursor locked, and open the mouse movement script and simply make if condition this purpose if inventory system script instance is equal to false, because when our inventory system is closed then works mouse cursor, otherwise not. Simply make it works properly. Now simply makes stone prefabs, simply drag and dropping and create empty object and call it inventory system and simply attach inventory system script in the inventory system object like this and get the reference inventory screen. Open the canvas and simply drag and drop inventory screen like this. Now simply open the prefab stone like the X and simply add canvas group by clicking the add component. Now our video is ready. Look, when we move our mouse cursor works, and when we press I open the inventory system and our mouse works not. Then simply the X drag, then make in the hierarchy tab the slot one child's remove and makes the other child's. When we drop it, and if by mistake if we out the boundary of the inventory system drop the X, then simply cancel the drag and drop and simply make previous slot childs. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, let me in the comment section, and if you want our services, select our LinkedIn page Vector Labs FC LLC. Thank you.